Welcome back to another episode of The One. We're going for giant smallmouth today. As you can see, it's beautiful out. We forgot our sunscreen, we forgot our bathing suits, but that's gonna be all right. We're gonna do some fishing today, and it's gonna be a blast. So stick with us, stay tuned. Let's go get a giant smallmouth bass.
Caution.
Freak, Magnum, life changer. I don't care where you fish and what you fish for. Everybody has a fish around home that they chase.
It's just a different caliber, a different species. You swear they don't exist. But every once in a while you hear stories.
I've only seen a 7-pound caliber bass in our area 2 times. And that was probably 8 years ago. I've seen one, but lure flew right out of his mouth.
I've seen one in 27 years. You fish all season long, your whole life looking for a fish of this caliber.
We have 1 week to do it. The weather's not looking the best. Really cold, really windy, and I think they're saying 10 to 12 inches of snow. And it makes you step back and really think, how far would you go and what would you do to catch the one? Yesterday was a whirlwind because we crushed the fish. Ended the day on a super high note, but the weird part was like we weren't even ending the day. We were really just starting it. So right after we crushed the fish, we went back to my house.
And Sobi and I just went into full rip everything out of his Vexus and put everything we need to go up north into my Triton.
Probably took a solid 3-4 hours. Got everything packed and hit the road. I think we left at probably, what, 10:30, 11.
We basically just had to change our mind frames from largemouth to smallmouth. So the evening was just like, throw everything in Adam's truck that we think we need, and let's hit the road.
All right, current time check. It is 12:50-ish right now. We're currently sitting in the Taco Bell parking lot waiting for our order to finish. We're heading up north to go fish in big water. So really excited for that. We probably got another 3 hours on the road at least. Gonna arrive in there pretty early and get a little bit of sleep tonight and get after it tomorrow. But I'm really excited to get up north, so it'll be a good time, but we really need some food.
Thank you so much again. We really appreciate it.
Got the goods. Now, we never claim to be good role models or Olympic athletes or anything like that. I'm saying you probably shouldn't consume as much gas station and fast food as we're gonna consume in this next week. In any week period. But we need it, and we're excited, and we love it. Let's feast. Finally got in the car. Adam's like, this is my truck, this is my boat. I'm gonna make the full ride all the way through. I'm gonna drive through the night. You boys maybe catch some Z's. And that's exactly what Brock and myself did. We were kind of in and out all night. Adam was pushing through, chugging Mountain Dew, and I dozed off, Brock dozed off.
And I think at 3 o'clock, we had just got through a town, and me and Brock had woke up for a little bit, and him and I were just chatting quick, and he fell back asleep, and I came around a corner, and I looked back at my trailer, and I didn't know if I was just delusional from lack of sleep, because we're on like day 4 or 5 of this, but my tire just looked crooked.
It was like, do-do, do-do-do-do, and I can just hear Adam's voice like, oh, that's not good.
All right, the situation right now, boys, is we have a blown tire on the trailer. So it is 2:30 in the morning right now. We're about an hour from our destination, but I think if we can all get after this, we'll be able to get it taken care of pretty quickly. So we just got to find the tools to change the spare and get on the move again. All right, we're back on the road. It is now 4 a.m. But thank you. I didn't even get his name. Wonderful guy from a service shop. If for some reason you're watching this, you're the best person ever, because he picked up his phone at 3 in the morning when Sam called him. The reason we called the service dude is I got these newer boats have like nice hubs on them and stuff, and we had what we thought we'd be able to change a spare tire, and we took a quick glance at it and realized we were not prepared. So yeah, we needed the help, and he gave it to us. So we're very, very appreciative for that. And now I need sleep.
Welcome to the Great White North. We rolled in about 5 hours ago. Current time is about 10 a.m. We rolled in at about 5 a.m. and staying at the nice Airbnb. I think we're gonna get going to the lake. Limited amount of sleep. Flurries are starting to fly, and it's cold as all can be.
Hey Bart, how you feeling this morning?
Dude, I feel good. I'm really tired. I didn't get to bed till about 5:20, 5:30 last night. Well, this morning, I guess. But yeah, I'm super ready. I don't know what they've all told you, but where we're going today, I love. We got a chance at the fish of a lifetime, multiple fish of a lifetime. Not ready for that.
Boat's packed. We're running on low sleep, but we're in the land of giants. So welcome to the Great White North. We're heading out in the water now. Probably gonna get a little bit of grub at the gas station.
Let's go get a giant.
Sorry. Let's go.
It's really hard to figure out where you think a 6 or 7, 8 pounder might show up. And with the conditions we had today, you don't know where it's gonna be, you just know it's gonna show up. Right now, I'm just out in like 30 feet. We're right next to a really steep break line to deep water. I'm just looking for rock with sand right next to mud for wintering smallmouth. This is gonna be the last place they stop before they call it for the year.
The one cool thing about smallmouth compared to largemouth is when it gets cold, when it gets nasty, those smallmouth love to eat.
First cast, baby.
No way. Bart's hooked up.
I knew I saw a big school of them here.
What are you throwing?
Tube. Oh, actually it's big.
Nice job, dude.
Yeah.
Nice job.
First cast.
New boot tubing. First cast. Nice job, dude.
Oh, yes.
Oh my god.
This is what we came up here for.
Oh, baby.
Donkeys.
First cast. Boom.
Dude, he's got this tube just down his freaking gullet. Oh my god. Dude, he knocked like 5 feet of slack into it.
Shut up.
He,
didn't even let it get
dude,
to the
he crushed it. And we're gonna get her back since we're in the middle of a blizzard, and I think they're gonna eat. Nice one. See ya, honey. Peace.
Alrighty, boys, we're rocking, we're rolling. Adam made one cast and caught a pretty decent smallmouth, like a 3-pounder. Put this line right here. I'm up to make my first cast. He's throwing a tube, dragging it on the bottom. I'm just gonna throw a little 3/8 ounce all-terrain tackle, smallie smasher head with just a small little Kitech on it. Just a nice little swimmer. I ain't never met a smallmouth that don't like a nice little swimmer. We're deep. We're very deep. We're freaking sub 30 feet, boys. Throw that sucker out there, let her hit the bottom, and just slow. Nice and slow. Go one. I will get the net. Oh, we're doubled up.
Have one too?
Yeah.
Here, I'll net him. That's fine. Yours.
I got you. You got it? We're doubled up, boys.
We're on a bag of water right now.
Ah, we're doubled up! Adam just netted his, mine just jumped. Feels pretty good on the swimmer. First cast. First cast, are you kidding me?
We have made 4 total casts and between the two of us, and we have 3 fish in the boat. Both of them. This one's probably a 4-pounder. This one's bigger.
This is just a little chunky sucker. Look how he ate that little swimmer though. That is what you like to see.
They are choking baits today. That is a great sign.
Things are about to get greasy. I'm getting him right back. Winter Wonderland, boys. We're at the North Pole catching giant smallies. All right, cast number 2.
All right, let's get this one back. Just beautiful ball smallmouth. I think I got hit again. There's so many of them up here, dude. When I scanned it, it was just ridiculous. Yeah. If you can get it to sink straight down from there, I think you'll be good.
I know, that's the toughest part. I'm gonna have to come and fish in front.
That's fine.
Just because I dragged the other way.
That's fine. Yeah, for sure, dude.
Look at those big bones.
I think if you hit the bottom, you're gonna get bit. Like, that's literally what it is. You got one?
Yeah. Fish on. Doesn't feel big. I got her.
You wanna go under me?
Beautiful, beautiful smallmouth bass. Ugh. Like fishing in a barrel. We are gonna have some fun today. Bingo, boys. They're chewing the tube. They're chewing the swimmer. Fall smallies are a very, 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 very special deal. Beautiful. See you, buddy.
Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth. I just pulled it out of one's mouth. It felt pretty big. He doesn't care. He got it again. Yeah. Oh, not quite.
5-pounder. What are you
Another
talking
4.
about?
Another upper 3. They look so big down there. You can see down like 15 feet. Man, right now, this is, how many casts we made, Sobi? 8? We made like 8 casts, and I think we've caught 5 fish already. Basically, if you can get your bait to hit the bottom in this wind, you're gonna get bit.
Get the net, it's a 3-pounder!
See you, buddy.
That's so funny. We gotta be careful on here. I feel like I could slip in.
Yeah, that's why we're in there.
Yeah.
We just need to figure out the right angle where we can get baits on the bottom. Oh, you got one. How's that one feel?
That one feels pretty good.
Just
I don't
like
know.
the other ones?
They all feel so dang good. Fish out! On the swimmer. It's a nice smallie.
Guy.
Just a nice smallie. No, I got her. Just a nice smallie. Beautiful. Another one. Oh, I thought... I didn't hear you. Yeah, like a 3.8, 4.8.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
You're like, I think a 3.8 or a 4.8 would really work.
You'll never hit it. You'll never get bit. Fish on. Fish on. You'll never hit it. That's not a bad one. Thank you, thank you, thank you, mister. These gloves are meant for this today because...
Oh, dude, it's awesome. Ooh, watch that cop. Ooh, across the lake.
I love you, sweetheart. Get that GoPro on, son.
3 3/4, like.
Alrighty, boys, Brok's up. I'm standing in the back grabbing net and camera. Bingo, baby, this is wild. So after we got out of the water, we kind of grabbed around and looked around for quite a while. But when that about 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock hour hit, it was pretty gangbuster. Didn't matter what you were really throwing, what color you were throwing. It was cast it right there and you're gonna catch one. Mind you, the weather's horrible. Like, it's gross out. It's blowing Mach 50. It's snowing everywhere. But right after Adam hooks up, boom, Brok hooks up. And I'm holding the camera at this point like, it's about to go down.
Threw back, caught another one. Threw back, caught another one. Brock threw in, caught one. I threw in, caught another one. And we were all looking at each other like, oh my God, this is gonna be insane. Another one. That first spot, the first couple I caught were pretty close to 4 pounds, but they keep getting smaller, which is not what you want right now, but just takes one bite out here. See you, buddy.
That's a good one.
Oh,
That's a good one. Holy cow, let's go. Here's what I'm throwing. It's pretty simple. A swimmer. It's windy, it's wavy because of the wind, and it's snowing. And the big girls, they're eating the swimmer. That's why I'm throwing it. Today we're gonna get our best 5. This is zeroed out. Ooh. All right. 3 pounds, 11 ounces. So pretty much like a 3 3/4. Yeah, dude. I didn't think I had one, and then I started reeling. Yeah, it might be big. It's a gooder one.
Football.
Yeah.
Choked. All right, guys, my GoPro died. I think Brock got some of the fight on his, but we moved out to like 35 feet now, and I've caught 2 fish or 3 fish on 3 casts. This is definitely our biggest of the day. Oh my God, it just keeps bouncing. Brock's hooked up. So this is a 4.5. 4 pounds, 5 ounces. It's our biggest one of the day so far, and I think we're on a school of better fish. So we're gonna get this one back quick. Just look at that. There you go. Get that back, and I'm gonna go help Brock out. Oh, good.
Just a little squeaker. Just a little squeaker.
Look at this. Look at what he puked up. I think that's a baby smallmouth. Maybe? Is that a shiner?
What?
We got a lateral line. Is that baby largie?
Baby largie.
Huh. Cool.
Fish on. They freaking like that swimmer, dude. It's a good one. It's a good one. Get him, bro. Boom, baby! Yeah. Boom, baby! Yeah! Yeah! Big, baby. That's big! Boom! On the little swimmer. Ooh. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Woo! Baby. Oh, man. That's a freaking biggin' boy. Look at this. Let me take these gloves off for a minute. Look at this freaking giant smallie. Boom. Oh man, I don't know if freaking camera does justice. Look at this tubbo's freaking stomach. All terrain tackle, smallie smasher to the face. Look at that, boys, look at that. We're heading in the right direction now. We just kind of changed spots. We're sitting in 30+ feet of water, kind of throwing up on a big long rock spine, and we just caught a freaking giant. Look at that. That is a blimp smallmouth bass. Let's weigh him. Yeah, I'm saying like 5. This is hardcore, boys. We're out here smallie smashing in a freaking blizzard. Let's get this thing locked in on the Rapala scale. It is coming in at 5 pounds, 2 ounces. Our first freaking 5-pounder, boys. Mwah! I love it. We're gonna get a couple pictures with this freaking beast, and we're gonna let her go.
Dude, this thing's fuego.
Good? What do you have there?
There's like melted cheese in it.
Ooh.
Yeah. And peppers.
What are you eating?
It's like almost a better McDonald's sausage burrito.
Ooh.